What is going on, guys? It's your boy Jay Shane, the Keto Road. Welcome to another vlog, guys. As you saw in the thumbnail, I'm not sure what the numbers are actually going to be. So whatever's on the thumbnail is what's about to happen. So I really want to do this video. I really want to get into like my actual training and my weight training and all how we're combining everything. You know, someone I really look up to is a guy named Nick Bear. I'll put his Instagram tag in the description below and his YouTube channel. But he kind of does this whole like dual athlete thing, and it's something that I aspire to do in my own way, you know, and you know, just being able to be a bodybuilder like I've always been working on natural like muscle building, and being able to complement that with my marathon goals and really focus on that, but yet still you know, cater that muscle building and that strength training. And I want to be able to show that you can do both if you do it the way that you need to do it. It's all about perfecting your craft, right? And so that's going to be fun. All right, so right now we're about to finish this cup of black coffee. We're going to stretch, and then we're going to go get started on the run. Look how beautiful that sky is. This is going to be amazing. What's up, guys? We are going to the track to go run, mainly because, you know, I'm trying to give my body the best possible chance to maintain a steady heart rate. And the truth is that while I love running in my neighborhood, there's a lot of slight but various inclines and declines, and so it's not all like, you know, super steady. And so, you know, I really just want to focus on you know, just keeping a good pace. So we're gonna go to the track. You know, it's interesting, to be completely honest with you, I don't know much about marathon training. You know, I'm starting to realize that I thought it was just running, making sure you drink your electrolytes and stretching, but man, like, this is a process. There's a reason that, you know, the best athletes in the world are in their 30s, and they've been doing cross country since they were 13, you know? Like, it upsets me a little, because I feel like I'm always trying to find the sport that I would be best at. And I feel like running is definitely something I have a knack for sure. Like, but, you know, I just realized, like, everything takes so much time, right? And I am such an impatient human being. And so I really don't know much about what goes all into it, but I'm learning, you know, and that's kind of my advice to you today is, like, you know, whatever you are doing, like, don't try to do it like anybody else. Don't try to do it like that guy or this guy, right? Like, perfect your craft. And that's what I'm trying to do now, like with my diet, with my running, with my strength training. Like, I'm trying to perfect my craft, right? I'm trying to figure out, okay, what's the best way I can do this that over time I'm going to recover, feel good, and get better. And we're testing that out, and it seems to be working. My runs get better every run right now. So, I mean, that's where we're at. You know, I'm trying. I can't settle. I never settle. I can't do it. I can't settle for second best. It's just not my nature, you know. So I just want to chat real quick, chat your ear off there. I don't know. I love coming up with insane goals. Will I ever actually run the Boston Marathon? Yes. Yes, I will. I refuse not to. Even if that means I wait until I'm 50 so I can hit the time, I will run Boston at some point in my life. Hopefully not. Hopefully in the next 3 or 4 years we really start to see change, because there's a lot that has to happen, guys. Like, I have to get more conditioned, I have to get faster, and I have to lose weight. Like, that's just the bottom line. Like, you know, I probably have a good 20 pounds of weight that my body does not need to be able to run at its best. 100%. It's got to come off at some point. But then again, it comes down to balancing my hormones, getting my thyroid in check, you know, all that stuff we talked about in the last video. And so there's so much that goes into this, and it's just, yeah, it's a lot of moving parts, but it's gonna be good. I'm happy that you guys are along for the journey with me, you know? Like, that means a lot to me that y'all watch and y'all take notes and y'all apply it to your own health journeys. And I just want to be that encourager. If anything else, like if my business failed and coaching didn't work out, I went back to a 9 to 5, but I kept all my content. As long as I gave y'all something to apply to your health journeys that made you better, I'm happy. So I hope that videos like this inspire and motivate you, and let me know if me doing goals like this and showing y'all days of training and stuff motivates you. And yeah, so we're almost there. I will see you in a bit. All right, guys, so we have a 10-minute Maffetone warm-up and then 1 hour and 20 minutes at 165 beats per minute or under. Let's get it. What's up, guys? All right, that was killer. Check it out. Look at that time. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. 940. Ooh, what's the heart rate? That's savage. Yes. That is the best run I have had in months. And I'm hyped. Alright, guys, what's up? So it's technically not a day of eating, but I thought y'all would be interested. So here is sweet potato and honey. Also, I realized I have it on 60 frames per second. Did that for the running portion. Should probably change that, but cheers. What up, homies? All right, here for meal number 2, we've got sour cream, salsa, pork rinds, and a buttload of beef, because we meat-based, bro. Gonna eat this. It is currently 10:20, so the plan is eat this, work on client work. I update client macros on Saturdays, so, you know, if you're interested, link below. But that's gonna give me time to digest my food. I'm gonna get some more water in me, and then probably around a little noon-ish to 1, we're gonna go smash squats, and we're gonna see how heavy we can get it. I will say though, I will say, my legs are beat to hell right now. I have not pushed my legs like that, because if you've been watching the journey, if you're new to the channel, I had some heart issues with my training just due to overtaxation and undernourishment and just fueling and figuring out my diet and all that. And so for the longest, I was more focused on my heart rate, and so I never really pushed my legs. My legs were just kind of along for the ride, but today my heart was doing great. So it was all about my legs. My legs were slowing down. There were times I had to remind myself to run faster because my legs were starting to get pretty pumped. It was a nice feeling, but because of that, they're sore AF. So this day, I'd planned on seeing how much I could squat today for this YouTube video. So it's gonna be interesting. I'll see you in a bit. All right, what's up, guys? We are at the gym. My legs are so sore, but they still feel strong as hell. So I think we're gonna do this. It's gonna be dope. Let's get it. So I think the way we're gonna handle this is every set before 225 or up to 225 is gonna be 4 reps for warm up. And then after we hit 225 on the pounds, every set after that's gonna be 1 rep. So trying to conserve energy. All right, what's up, homies? So we got it to 335. I didn't want to go over that just because I was kind of feeling it at my hamstring, and I kind of stuck there. I might have been able to do 10 more pounds. I might have hit 345, 355. But again, this is not powerlifting, you know. I have to be careful. Obviously I want to make a good YouTube video, not a good content. I want to PR on my squats, but that's the most I've squatted since I started running. So
it's a win for me. The most I've ever done is 405. That's the most I've ever squatted in my life, like for a 1 rep max. So probably could have done about 10-20 pounds more, but we don't have a spot. It's not the best rack for if I drop it. So yeah, so let's finish the rest of the leg workout, and I will see y'all in a bit. What is up, guys? All right, I hope you enjoyed the full workout. I felt great. That was fantastic. Best day I've had in a long time in terms of just running, lifting, everything. Epsom salt bath, because I'm going to feel this tomorrow. I know for a fact I'm going to feel this tomorrow. So, Epsom salt bath, and then I'm going to show y'all meal number 3. What is up, guys? All right, so for meal number 3, we've got 16 ounces of ground beef, sour cream, salsa, pork rinds, and half of a keto brick. If you don't know what keto bricks are, I'll put a link in the description below. Check them out. If you're interested in the amount of calories and macros I eat, that video should be showing up now. You can definitely watch and check that out. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.